Hey guys, Tanner Hilton here, Innovative-IDM. This week we're only going to take a couple of minutes to talk about something unique that Wago offers. Printed circuit board components. It's a lesser known fact that Wago excels at producing and manufacturing printed circuit boards and PCB components. If you've never considered using PCBs in your machine before, this may be a great time to start. Do you have an issue with wires and assembly time on your machines? Are you finding yourself constrained by space or in need of a way to connect wire harnessing or network comms in a way that will save you time and labor? A printed circuit board from Wago may be a great solution here. Even if some of the components on a board are not Wago components, Wago will still manufacture boards here in their North American facility. They've been providing custom solutions for years to machine builders and end users alike, and there may be a great number of ways that they can help you. You'll notice Wago PCB components are already used on a wide array of other devices they manufacture, including HMIs, Ethernet switches, and power supplies. These components all have Wago's signature spring clamp quality and allow for quick and easy wiring to devices. This connection technology comes in a wide array of sizes and functionality for low or high current and varying voltages based on pin spacing. These components are available as single units or as integrated and custom solutions from Wago's board facility. If you have questions on this, or want to review an application or talk about anything else in controls or automation, give me a call or go to Innovative-IDM.com. Until next time, I'm Tanner Hilton with Innovative-IDM in Oklahoma City. Thanks for your time.